Hi there! Welcome back to my channel where we make learning Norwegian easy and fun. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to ask questions in Norwegian. Ready? Let's get started. A spørsmål means question in Norwegian. When you want to know something, you ask a question. For example, hva heter du? What's your name? Hvor bor du? Where do you live? Let's look at the most common question words in Norwegian. Norwegian, English. Hva, what, hvem, who, hvor, where, hvorfor, why, når, when, hvordan, how, hvilken, which. Say them with me. Hva, hvem, hvor, hvorfor, når, hvordan, hvilken. When asking yes-no questions, Norwegian usually follows this structure. Verb plus subject plus rest of the sentence. Example, snakker du engelsk? Do you speak English? For questions using a question word, the structure is question word plus verb plus subject plus rest. Example, hva spiser du? What are you eating? Let's try a few. Can you guess the meaning? Hvor gammel du? How old are you? Når kommer du? When are you coming? Hvordan går det? How's it going? Great job! You're doing amazing! Bonus tip. In conversations, Norwegians often answer questions directly and simply. So don't overthink. Start with simple questions and build your confidence. That's it for today's lesson on how to ask questions in Norwegian. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment using your favorite Norwegian question. Vi ses neste gang. See you next time.